My friend tried to tell me he can't come over because he's allergic to this guy. Because I grabbed this and some of their food, sprinkle some on top, and now there's no more allergy. It's a food topper that's gonna bind to the FeLD1 protein in your cat's saliva and neutralize it completely. But when it's full price, this stuff is honestly way too expensive. Normally it's over $75 for this tiny bottle, but they have it for less than half that right now. And whenever they have one of these sales, it always sells out. So I stocked up on a couple, but if you don't want to so much as sniffle because of your cats, I'll put a link right here so you can check it out before they take it off the sale.